G'day cocktail lovers, this is a Bolero sour. It caught my eye because it follows a quite simple sour recipe, except it splits the spirit base and it splits the citrus. It caught my eye, I thought that looks quite interesting. The base is split between white rum. I'm using this Australian, well this is technically not a rum, this is more like an agricole. It's an unaged cane spirit from husk, it's very nice. And I'm also using this VSOP Cognac. But you can just use the brandy of your choice in there. The citrus base is split between lime and orange juice. And I've put the foam in there. That's an optional one if you want to do that. But I need to taste it now to see if it tastes as interesting as it looked. It really does. You know what I think might help? Just put a couple of drops of bitters on the foam. I'm adding just a couple of drops of Bitterman's Elamakule Tiki bitters on the top. And now I'm just getting this waft of the bitters just as I bring it up, which is just giving it an extra bit of depth. And that definitely enhances the whole experience. Here's how I made it. In a mixing glass, put 1 ounce or 30 mils of white rum, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of cognac or the brandy of your choice, then half an ounce or 15 mils of lime juice, a third of an ounce or 10 mils of orange juice, then a third of an ounce or 10 mils of sugar syrup. As an optional extra, you can put a foaming agent like an egg white, or I'm putting a few drops of Wonder Foam in there. Add ice to the glass, shake that good and hard. I'm shaking this longer than I normally would because I really want that foam action happening, and then I'm straining it into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice. Which gives us the Bolero sour. If you like a daiquiri, I suggest trying this because that's what it reminds me most of, but it's got a few other flavors that you don't get in a standard daiquiri. It's definitely a nice drink to try. Give it a go, let me know what you think of it, and take care. Until I see you again, I will say cheers.